The city never stops. It works through anything. Through flooded sidewalks, jam-packed roads, and overcrowded trains, you feel a magnetic energy spread across the city. The rains in Mumbai always appear unannounced and have a strange way of taking us back to the memories of playing in them. It was always special because it somehow felt rebellious. We were in the dirt, getting wet, but all of it was worth it. Let the monsoons this year be a reminder to pause, take a breath, get away, and go back to playing in the rain.